आसमां को छू लेंगे हम, हारेंगे ना कभी।
कुछ करके दिखाएंगे हम, है सपना बस यही।
ऊंचाइयों पे चढ़ते हुए हर मंजिल पाएंगे। We are the students of new generation. We gonna bring a revolution. PT education करके दिखाएंगे।
The fact that you, every year, people like you, your seniors, have done wonders. They have cracked all exams, and most of them have ended up at places that they really dreamed they would. The reason I am sharing this with you is, it's very much within reach. It's very much within reach. You are as capable as anybody else to crack any test. And if you couple that with a very structured application process, it makes things very, very easy. And this is precisely the Josh with Hosh spirit that we are known for, the PT group is known for. Karke dikhayenge and TD Pro. So the agenda for the day, having discussed with you why Act Pro, I'll take another 2 minutes, explain that, and then we'll get down specifically to the various tests. They are cut off from our experience till the last year, allied business schools, quick talk on specializations. मैं आपको अपना कुछ insight बता दूंगा, उसके बाद आप अपने questions लिखते रहिए. And we will have an open house at the end of it. The faculty will be available in the open house. You can ask all your questions. Whatever we can answer here, we'll be glad to. And whatever we need some time to research and answer tomorrow, we will say that's a very good question, and then we will postpone it. Form filling process. The form filling process and the excellent experience which students have undergone regarding the CAT form which just came out, and some more about WIFME and Act Pro services, and then the. ये बहुत बड़ी बातें हैं. Now, how do you go about it? In addition to all this, the most important thing is know yourself. We have been talking about that in the various GK sessions we have had. Know yourself. Find out who you are. That's very important. Remember, if I talk about specializations, कोई मतलब नहीं है, मैं आपको 10 चीजें बता दूंगा, आपको ही देखना है आपके लिए ठीक क्या है. So if I talk about operations management or retail management or pharmaceutical management और HR मैनेजमेंट, सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है सब. मैनेजमेंट एज अ फील्ड के बारे में सबसे अच्छी बात है, कुछ भी बोलो सुनने वाले को बहुत मजा आता है. कोई भी कुछ भी बोले सुनने वाले को हमेशा मजा आता है. ये है मैनेजमेंट की फील्ड. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज सो इंटरेस्टिंग. बोलने वाले को तो आता ही है, लेकिन सुनने वाले को ज्यादा आता है. बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट वी आर हियरिंग द राइट थिंग. द राइट थिंग इज व्हाट इज राइट फॉर यू. You have to pick and choose which ones you wish to sit for. So is there a golden thumb rule? Is there a general broad principle that can help you choose? Yes, the principle is very simple. Choose what gives you adequate comfort level that you will make it in the first shot. You have to save your year, right? एक साल बचाना है, अगले साल वापस यहाँ नहीं बैठना है आके. भाई आप आके फिर से बैठ जाओ, मुझे कोई तकलीफ नहीं है. Be a lifelong guest, I have no problem. Till 2020 you can keep coming back, I won't stop you. But the point is you wouldn't want to, right? So how many exams do I really write, do I take? As many as makes you comfortable that you will crack at least one of them big time. So writing only CAT may not be a very smart thing to do. Writing only MAT may not be a very smart thing to do. So you have to really decide कि मेरे लिए क्या ठीक है. मेरे लिए मतलब आपके लिए, मेरे लिए नहीं, आपके लिए. Lot of turbulence really. Okay, so you have 151 institutes. Last year it was 99. So CAT has 151 institutions, last year it was 99. What does it mean? Let me tell you, what does a CAT affiliated institute mean? It means that this institute has paid a certain amount of sum to the IIMs for allowing them to access the original scorecards of the candidates writing CAT. That's it. It doesn't mean anything else. MAT takes place 4 times a year, has gone online recently, or at least they're trying to take it online. There's this whole movement towards making exams online in India. It can succeed. It can succeed. I'm not sure whether it will succeed for sure. क्योंकि इंडिया में वेरिएबल्स बहुत ज्यादा हैं। तो अभी कैट हो जाने दो, उसके बाद ही हम कह पाएंगे कि कैट एक्चुअली ऑनलाइन सक्सेसफुली हो गया, जब तक वो पूरे 10 दिन हो नहीं जाते। I was the CEO of one of the companies that was bidding for CAT online process, is a close friend of mine. तो उससे जितना मैंने समझा, जितना उसने मुझे बताया अंदर की वर्किंग के बारे में, वो जान के समझ में आता है कि things are very bad actually, and maybe we are not ready for an online test. So let's pray to God that they are able to pull through the whole exercise this year. From the experience we have had in the past 5 days, I am sure they are not prepared. They haven't contemplated what all grassroots problems will come up in India. This is not America, this is India. There are problems here. There are lots and lots of infrastructural issues here, which nobody has thought of, which is surprising. होना नहीं चाहिए 3 लाख बच्चों के लिए। तो let's see, let's hope सब कुछ ऑनलाइन हो जाए, सबके लिए आसान ही रहेगा। Institutions like the IIMs are autonomous, so they are directly under Ministry of HRD. They don't need anybody's license. They don't care for it. They just do what they think is right, which is the right thing also. They have proven themselves, so no issues, no questions. There are some deemed universities. इसका बेसिक रूल मैं समझा देता हूँ, ये कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज को सब मारो गोली। बेसिक रूल बहुत सिंपल है, 3 या 4 रूल है इसमें। If you are a university, you can run your own MBA program inside your campus. If you are a state university, you can run an MBA program, you can affiliate it within the same state. If you are a state university with a distance education council ka thappa, then you can start opening study centers across the country and in some cases abroad, but you cannot give an MBA degree which is called regular MBA degree. It will be called DLP degree, Distance Learning Program, DLP. Career opportunities. तो बॉलिंग एली में, अपने शूटिंग एली में भी गए, निशाना भी लगा, तो क्या एडवेंचरस करियर्स बन सकते हैं? सोचो, पढ़ो, गूगल करो, ढूंढो, तो मालूम चलेगा कि हाँ, एडवेंचरस करियर्स तो बहुत सारे बन रहे हैं। इनफैक्ट उसी फील्ड में बन रहे हैं आजकल तो बहुत करियर्स। ग्रेट। एंड फाइनली, कैसे अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं जो इस तरह के स्किल को आगे ला सके, ढूंढो। कितना आसान तरीका है करने का। एंड देन एवरी मैन टू हिमसेल्फ, इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट। Did this slide make sense to you? Yes or no? I didn't hear you. Yes, louder, I didn't hear you. Yes, समझ में आया that it's your personal battle? Public speaking exercises you participated in? How many extempore, recitals, poem recitation? So you are getting it wrong. वो आपका इंटरेस्ट है ही नहीं, होता तो करते ना। डर लगता था जाने में, तो इंटरेस्ट कैसा है? स्टेज पे जाने में डर लगता था, तो पब्लिक स्पीकिंग आपका इंटरेस्ट कैसे हो गया यार? नहीं हो सकता। I hope the point is how you decide on specialization. और कोई तरीका नहीं है इसका। और अगर आप अभी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो do a general MBA program, उसमें चले जाओ, पहला साल जनरल होगा, सेकेंड ईयर में स्पेशलाइजेशन मिलेगा। So this is the first option you have. A lot of you will be interested in this. Let me take a quick head count. ऐसे 15-20 ऑप्शंस में दिखाऊंगा तो मैं फटाफट जाऊंगा। मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव सिर्फ ये, मैंने इसके ऊपर बहुत सारा आपको ज्ञान दे दिया ऑलरेडी, और आप सब ज्ञानी लोग हो, समझ गए हो कि क्या करना है। These are some of the good institutions for international business and foreign trade. Operations management, one of the most unglamorous fields, attracting very little attention, and one of the most crucial fields. A key to scratch it off properly and get the number. If you are indiscreet, the whole number may get removed from the surface. How many of you face that problem in scratching and all that in the voucher? How many of you purchased the voucher, by the way? Okay. Out of all these people who just raised their hands, how many of you faced some kind of a problem in the whole process? My God, that's a very large number. We are documenting a set of problems which we will be forwarding to the IIMs, and we will be telling them that these are the problems students have faced. So, did you enjoy the whole session? Learned a lot? Yes, sir. At least I did. I must say, every year we do it. We have been doing it for so many years now, this AdPro thing. And the way it has evolved and the way super specializations are coming in, it's a great learning every time. So thank you very much. You were a great audience, and it's time for Karke Dikhayenge, isn't it? Yes, sir. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Students! Is every day till CAT day and beyond. Wish you all the best. Go ahead.